Alright, here we go, everyone. So I purchased the Pubu stationary bike. I'm gonna put this bad boy together, see how long it takes, and we're gonna give it a test run too. See if we like it. I was reading the instructions, just the information that was on there. The manufacturer said that it's for some reason the seat itself is not comfortable for everyone, right? So it's not suited for everyone. So if you're able to, if you don't like the seat, the cushion for whatever reason, if it bothers you, if it's hard, if it's just uncomfortable, you can give them a call or you can email them, and then they'll give you some suggestions, or maybe they'll replace it. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted on that. But for now, we're just gonna put this thing together. All right, let's go. So first things first, what are we doing? Use the carriage screw 32. So where's the carriage screw? The main frame. So let's see what's what. So this is back, of course. All right. It's back right there. Oh. This is the back. Nope. Wrong. This is the back. Alright. Yep, that makes sense. Boom. So what they say is for you to put the screws underneath first. Alright, so then we're gonna put the 32 screws. It's only 4 screws, so this should be pretty easy to put together. Comes with its own set of tools. Makes it that much easier. I do have these, but since they're here, why not use them? There we go. Washers need to be at the bottom. Oi, oi. Good. Where do you go? ¿Qué? No sé. Tengo que ver qué es.
Un líquido para alguna cosa.
Ajá. Ahí dice. Pero no he llegado ahí antes. Ainda. ¿No sé?
Yo no gosto de estação.
No gosta nada. Lo miedo que yo tengo aquí es que uno, yo no lo estoy vigilando y los tiros.
Que delícia.
I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
Now for the pedals. Okay, so they have this adhesive. I'll show you guys. You can see that. There's a warning on there. Of course, not to do not eat it, do not get it in your eyes, and be careful when you use this. So this is anaerobic adhesive. All right, so this has to go on the screw part, the bolt right here. You guys can see that right there. So I gotta put that on there. Yep. So I'm trying to figure out if there's a right and left. There may not even be a right and left. It may just be, you know, they're both sided. Actually, nope. There definitely is an L right there. There, if you can see it. So that. And it's marked on the bike itself as well, so that's good. Thank you, bud. Don't take nothing off, okay? Don't take nothing off, okay? Thanks, fellas. Alright, it's best then. Alright, so cushion slide, cushion riser. So you got this here. Let's unscrew this is gonna be it. We'll see. Alright, so now, let's see how some kids around. Gotta close that up. You can see, this is right here. So first, take unscrew. Here. So we got the seat. It's coming along nicely, guys. Coming along real nicely. So, we gotta tighten both sides. Okay. Oh, okay, yes. Maybe lose when you first put it on there, but as soon as you start tightening the sides, the seat will stop pushing. You have to tighten both sides of it, okay? Just FYI. Make sure you guys are still good with me. Turn a little bit. There you go.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up,
looking good.
I'm a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. I send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new,
No.
back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all
It's already a good shape.
that's right. Push until I fall, I'm slipping to get back up. Always stand tall, I'm grinning.
And this one here. To the left side.
I had to learn how to think with my head and my heart. I'm getting chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will
Yo.
never be the same.
There you go.
Cause that's what it takes.
Cool, huh? Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Don't touch it, okay? Don't touch it. Yeah, you can touch the bike. You can touch the bike. Yeah, you can touch the bike. You can touch it. Yeah. Yeah, Andy. Let's go.
Got it all done?
Hold on, hold on.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
The shovel's all done.
Cool, look at that. Mikey. Yeah, Mikey. Mhm. Yeah. Go over there. Go to my mic. Go to my mic. Go to my mic. Go get agua. Go. Oh yeah. Go. You charge? You charge all right? Yeah. Alright, so we're making this something, guys. Everybody almost ready? Oh, that part. Thank you. Yeah, you found it. Don't you?
What did you find?
You found the wire to connect the monitor. That was cool.
Where'd you put it?
You didn't put it in. You just grabbed it. I was like, where is it?
To the monitor? Which monitor? Oh, this is one?
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you, Zach.
so,
Good job.
yeah.